What's happening, y'all? May 20th, June 20th, excuse me, June 20th. Woo, woo, woo. 2022. Atkins Fabrication and then some. What's happening, y'all? How y'all doing, man? Hey, listen, talk about it, my man. I got a little bit I want to show y'all. I've been messing with the mini lathe. I'm still camping out. We homesteading, baby. Right behind my company. But anyway, on a serious note, I mean, yeah, I might laugh about it, but I try to keep it light, man. You know what I mean? Anyway, I've been messing with the mini lathe, y'all. A little lighting issue, maybe. I don't know. Nah, lighting ain't too bad. So I've been messing with the mini lathe a little bit, and you know, it's the headstock, the bearings in it. I changed the back bearings, but I didn't change the front ones. I thought they were good. Well, when I put it in there, they were whacked out. So I just pressed them out. I got them ordered from Amazon. They're on their way. They'll be here today by 10 p.m. So I'm gonna show you what I did real quick, and then I'll show it again when it's done. So check it out. So I took the headstock off of it. I mean, I redid everything, man. I got bearings on everything. This I'm not happy with. When I'm getting ready to get the milling machine next weekend. I got to call the guy today. Uh, I got my family. My mother wants to be part of this. She's riding me. She had a stroke about 2 months ago, and she's able to drive again, but she's really not comfortable yet. She asked me if I could wait another week, so she'd be good driving. So I told her, yeah, I don't have a license, so I can't drive, but my buddy Tom's going too to help out driving. But I'm going to give the guy a call today and talk to him and send him some more money and, ask him if he can give me one more week on it. But when I get the milling machine, I finally get into a place. Uh, my goal, I want to take all the knobs off and I want to put thrust bearings fittings in them. I want to put thrust bearings in them, so I want to groove them out with an end mill so the thrust bearing fits inside. The thrust bearing's already in there. They're in all of them, but I don't like the way it's sitting like that. I want it to be captured inside of it, ride on the inside of it, as well as the flat of this. The flat of this. So I want it to be captured inside here. You know what I'm saying? Hitting inside here. I want this to groove up inside, and when it's grooved up inside, I want the back part to hit up in here and ride on it, as well as ride on the face of this. Now this I want to extend out. When I get the milling machine, I also want to get a block of steel, and I want to redo this. I want it to have two T slots riding up it, so I could put T nuts in it, and I want to redo I'm redoing the whole carriage. Okay, I'm redoing the whole saddle, pretty much. So it's only a 7x14. That's not very big. There we go. That's not very big, but it's a nice lathe for what I did. I installed the threading dial. It's a metric. Oh, I can't move it right now. The lead screw isn't attached right now. Anyway, the headstock's out here. Let's take a walk out here a minute. Take a walk out here. I'll show you that. And I did it with my mate. The first thing I ever welded was I made a little makeshift press. Just something to do stuff like this. There's the headstock right here. I'll show you the old bearing. I wasn't even paying attention. Look, the cover that goes on the face of it, I pressed it on with the screw still in it by mistake. Stupid, right? Look, so the back bearings are great, man. These were brand new. I just put these in there. So I got 2 sets coming, right? I'm thinking I'm gonna take this set and put it back in the box and hold on to it for emergency, right? Or if somebody needs it, let me know, man, and I'll send it to you. It's no problem at all, man. I got the race for it in there too. So I'm going to take both the new bearings and put them in the headstock right here. I'm going to press them back in on the shaft. And in order to do that, I will be using We're walking to the other part of the yard. I got an outside shop basically. I make my own shop and do it. Just do it. No electric, nothing. So there's the shit. The press that I made to push out the shaft. There's the old bearing. That's done for. So anyway, I'm gonna send it. I'm gonna throw this video in there, and I'll make another little short video when I go ahead and get that bearings pressed on there and get that headstock together. I'll take some pictures of pressing the bearing on and put it in there, and you know what I mean. I'm getting better at doing this video thing. It's a little hard, but I'm learning. I ain't the best at it. Hang in there with me, man. I ain't got too much of a fan club. Hopefully some people will pick up on it soon, man, and get in there, man, and just let me know what's up. Let me know what you think, man. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down, and right down there, dumbass, fix this. You know what I mean? Stop doing this. Do that. Do this. Whatever. Cool. I don't mind that. I can learn from that. I can learn from that. I want the help. Each one teach one, man. That's what this is about. You know, I'm in a constant pursuit of knowledge. I'm a recovering addict, man. I've told y'all before, I'm a recovering addict. You know, when people ask me, do you have cravings and stuff like that? No, I don't. And the reason why is because I engulf my mind in this. When I don't have time to have a craving, I'm constantly doing something. If I'm not working fabricating windows and frames for the Royal Farm Store, then I'm out here and I'm tinkering around with my mini lathe until I can get it up and running. I'm messing with it to make it better, but not only to make it better, I'm making myself better. Each one teach one, man. This is what we do. Atkins Fabrication and then some. That's what the and then some is. We're not just fabbing stuff out here, man. We don't just fabricate dreams. We don't just fabricate machinery. We fabricate dreams here. We make this a reality. I'm trying to do this for all the people, man, that want to do this, that don't have it in them to do it. I'm showing them they can. Because I really didn't believe I had it in me to do it. And I'm still doing it, regardless if I have a fan base or not out there. I'm still going to do it because that's what God tells me to do. I'm still, regardless if anybody's watching this or not, right? I'm still recording the progression of my knowledge, the progression of me. And one day maybe that'll help somebody, and that's all I need. One person. One person. If I can help one person, wow, that's blessing. That's blessing. Atkins Fabrication and then some, man. If you didn't know what the then some was, now you do. Let's get her done, baby. Anything y'all need, man, just hit me up on here, put me up in the bottom, and I'll do what I can, baby. I mean, I'll do what I can. If I can have you send it to me and I can do it, if I can come over and do it, whatever, it don't matter. If I can do it and help you, I will. Atkins Fabrication and then some. Hit me up. Subscribe. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. That subscribe, it'll help, man. You know, I ain't trying to make no money here. But hey, anything that'll help me get out of this as quick as possible, that would be... what a blessing that would be. Hey, thanks y'all. God bless y'all, man. It's a beautiful day outside. Get outside and enjoy it, man. June the 20th. It's beautiful, baby. 1 month, 2 days till my birthday. 32 days. I'll be 45. Whoa, 46. Wow. Y'all take it easy, man. Have a great day. See you.